Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 9, How Many Times. Here, these are some animals. Okay, so these are leggy animals, and there are 5 gods. And how many legs altogether? So each god having 4 legs. Okay, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. Or we can say that 5 times 4 is 20. Or 5 fours are 20. Okay, so this is the way. I hope you guess correct. This chapter is about the multiplication, and the multiplication is based on the table. So it is quite important to remember the table from 1 to 20. Okay, otherwise you will get problems. You will face a lot of problems. So try learning the table from today. How many spiders? Okay, here we will find out 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 spiders. One spider has blank legs. 8 legs. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In all, spider legs are 3 times 8. Or we can say 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Or 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. Next, do you know this leggy fellow? This is an octopus. It lives in the sea and it also has 8 legs. This is a water animal, right? And we find out only in a big deep sea, right? Not in oceans. So, how many legs altogether do 5 octopuses have? So here we are adding the 8 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is equal to 40. So 5 times 8 is equal to 40, or 5 8s are is equal to 40. See, here we are taking 8 5 times. So 5 we will write down first. And then which number has been repeated? 8 has been repeated. So we'll write down it afterwards. Next, page number 123, right? Find the number without counting. Here we need not to do any counting. See, how can you write down the instant answer? By remembering the table, right? If you don't remember the table, then you have to count every time. 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This way it will take too much of time. If you remember the table, you can write down the answer quickly. So that's why I insist all of you, please learn the table every day. If you don't know how to learn, then please learn it. How many flowers in a flower bed? It has 4 columns. See, the straight line is called the columns, right? And each column has 6 flowers. So altogether the flower bed has 4 times 6 flower. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and each column has 6. So we are going to multiply the number of column by the number of flower in the one column. So 4 6 are 24, or we can say 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24. Now the situation has been changed. Let's try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. Now rows matlab horizontal lines. See, each row has 4 flowers. Altogether, the flower bed has 6 times 4 flowers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 24. So, 6 fours are 24. Fine. See, here we are multiplying the number of rows by the number of flowers in one row. So, we will get the answer 24. Next, in the same way, how many bottles are this? Can you see that? Can you observe that these are some bottles, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 rows, and in one row you will find out 5 bottles. So 4 times 5 is 20 bottles. How many eggs? See, here we find out 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows. And each row you will find out 6 eggs. So, 5 times 6 is equal to 30 eggs. Now, turn your page number 124, where you will find out the next exercise. Rewrite using the plus sign. Here we are writing the numbers using the plus sign. So what do we say that multiplication is a repeated addition. We had see all this example. Here we are repeating the same number more than one time, okay, as per the requirement. There are 3 spiders and each spider is having 8 legs. That means we are repeating 8 3 times. That means we can say that multiplication is a repeated addition. So you all have to understand that. Based on that, there is an exercise. 2 multiplied by 5 means 2 times 5 or 5 plus 5. 4 multiplied by 18 means 4 times 18 और 18 को हम 4 टाइम ऐड करेंगे. We are repeating 18 4 times. So that's why we call multiplication is a repeated addition. 3 multiplied by 20 is 3 times 20 or 20 plus 20 plus 20. 8 multiplied by 9 is 8 times 9 or 9 plus 9 plus 9. 8 times. Okay, so this is the way. Now number B, tell how many times. Again, it's a activity, but let's begin with this. See, here the repeated addition has been given. From that we have to write down the multiplication form and the answer. Fine. So here 9 has been repeated 6 times. So 6 multiplied by 9 and 6 nines are 54. As I told you, you have to learn the table. Otherwise, you will not get able to write down the answer quickly. So it's a important thing. I cannot help you in that. You have to learn the table by yourself. Okay, every day. If you are feeling very hard, so it's okay, you will do it every day you will practice for that. Later on it becomes easy for you, because practice makes man perfect. So don't worry about the mistakes and just do the tables every day. Just read it once. आप ना देख देख के एक बार read करो. You will easily understand how to remember. 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 3 multiplied by 8 3 times. We are repeating 8 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 8. 3 8s are 24. 5 times. 5 multiplied by 3. We are repeating the number 3. So 5 3s are 15. 3 times 30. 3 multiplied by 30. See, we are repeating it 3 times. So that's why we'll write down 3 first. And which number we have repeated over here? 30. So 3 multiplied by 30 is 90. 3 plus 3 6. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. We are repeating 7 6 times. So we'll write down first 6 and then the number which we repeated, which is number 7. So 6 7s are 42. 4 multiplied by 12. We are repeating 12 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And which number we have repeated? 12. So 4 12s are, or 12 4s are 48. Understood? 3 times 3 multiplied by 6. 3 8s are, 3 6 are 80. 1 2 3 4. 4 multiplied by 10. So that is 4 10s are 40. 3 2 5 2s are 10. And 3 3 6 7. 7 6 are 42. So this is the way. Now look at the next page, page number 125, where you will find out more exercise. These are some word problems, right? So let's solve this. Now Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits and each packet has 4 biscuits. So how many biscuits did Ramu buy? So here number of biscuits in one packet is 4 and number of packets are 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So total we'll find out there are 16 biscuits in a packet. Imagine in your mind there are 4 packets and in each packet there are 4 biscuits. So 4 4s are 60. There are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. And what is the total number of legs of the desk? Just imagine a desk having 4 legs and there are 12 desks like this. Okay? So you can say 12 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 48. Both are correct. How? Before we're moving to the more exercise, I really want to explain something which is quite important for you. Multiplication is a repetitive addition. The sign of multiplication is cross, and this is just like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And if we interchange the places of the number which we multiply, then we will get the same answer, right? 2 fours are or 4 twos are 8. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number and answer. Okay, 6 multiplied by 1, then answer is 6. 7 multiplied by 1, then answer is 7. 15 multiplied by 1, then answer is 15. The same number we will get in the answer. Any number multiply by 0 gives the multiplication 0. Okay. Here is a 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. That means we are adding 0 5 times. So we are getting here the answer 0. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 21 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 100 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now, back to the exercise. Sheba brought home 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. Then how many flowers were there? Here we are having 3 bunches and each bunch have 4 flowers. So we'll multiply the number of bunches with the number of flowers in one bunch. So 3 fours are 12. One rail coach has 8 wheels, then how many wheels in all in 6 coaches, right? These are now 6 coaches and one coach has 8 wheels. So we can say that we will multiply the number of coaches with the number of wheels in one coach. So 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. So this is the way we can solve. Now look at the next page, page number 126, where we will find out this activity, which is a table of 2. Okay, so 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. See, we are repeating the 2 4 times, then repeating 2 5 times. So 5 twos are 10. Okay, or we can say 2 5s are 10. Okay, we can speak anywhere here. Then 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18, and 10 times 2 is 20. So basically this is the table of 2. Okay, see. Now, jump with me. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. And which number will Taru touch? Okay. So, यहाँ पे this is the table of 3. So, 1 threes are 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15, 6 threes are 18, 7 threes are 21. See, यहाँ पे 21 है. Then 8 threes are 24, 9 threes are 27, then 10 threes are 30, then 11 threes are 33, 12 threes are 36, 13 threes are 39, 14 threes are 42, and 15 threes are 45. So this is the way we can write down the table of 3. Show the jumps with the 4 steps. So this is the table of 4. That is quite easy. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Right? 11 fours are 44, 12 fours are 48, and 13 fours are 52, and so on. 14 fours are 56, and 15 fours are 60. So, this is the table of 4. Next, on the next page, you will find out the table of 7. Here we are jump with the 7 steps. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. यहाँ पर see. Then 5 sevens are 35. Then 35 is here. 6 sevens are 42, 7 sevens are 49, here is a 49, then 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63, 7 tens are 17, 7 7 step, 11 sevens are 77, 12 sevens are 84, here is 84, 13 sevens are 91, 14 sevens are 98. 98 is over here. And 15 sevens are 105, and so on. Right? So this is the way you will write down the table of 7. Look at the next page, page number 130, where you will find out some of the activity. Mithu had some sticks and she arranged them like this. वो ऐसे arrange कर रही है, ठीक है? 1 time 5 is 5. फिर 2 time 5 लेंगे तो ये 10 डॉट होंगे. 3 times 5 लेंगे तो ये 15 डॉट हुए. 4 times 5 लेंगे तो ये 20 डॉट्स हुए. बेसिकली हम एक स्टिक यहाँ पे इंसर्ट करेंगे तो 5 क्रॉसेस मिलेंगे. इफ़ यू आर इंसर्टिंग 2 then we'll get the 10 crosses, and 3 then 15 and 4 then 20 crosses. Okay, then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. She found that 4 times 5 is 20. So let's try making 2 times table with the sticks. Okay, यहाँ पर देखो ये 8 10 12, see 2 4 6 10 8 10 12 14, 16, 18, and 20. So this is the table of 2 basically. Now look at the next page. Draw a sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. So this would be done by yourself. Shopping with tables. See? Table is such an important thing in our daily routine, as it will be used in our day-to-day life activity like shopping, like buying and selling, right? So these are the main activity. Based on that, whole the world are dependent now. So multiplication has been used over there as well. So how much do these things cost? 4 toffees cost blank rupees. Okay, each toffee cost rupees 2. So 4. So 2 fours are 8. So that is 8. 3 pencil box cost rupees blank rupees. Okay, each